Model, 68-plate Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 314 Cdi X long wheelbase, jumbo Sprinter long MOT great mileage. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 155,000. MOT, the 20th of October 2025. Engine, 2143 cc OM651 MI2 143 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 3 former keepers, aircon, cruise Contron, parking sensors, electric windows, reversing camera. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.